iPhone X Battery Repair Guide. Power down your Apple iPhone X smartphone. Eject the nano SIM card tray. Remove the bottom 3.4mm pentalobe screws located next to the lightning connector. Apply some heat and then use the precision knife to create enough space to insert a triangle opening tool. With the opening tool, slice through the adhesive and carefully decouple the iPhone X display assembly from the rear case. Now the standard. It opens to the side. The display assembly is still connected to the iPhone by cables, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 5 tri-point screws, securing the bracket that covers every logic board connector. These screws are different sizes, so be sure to remember where they go. With the unibracket out of the way, pry the battery and display cables up from the logic board and free the 5.8-inch all-screen OLED Super Retina HD display from the phone. The iPhone X dual-cell battery has 4 adhesive pull tabs. The pull tabs are adhered to the sides of cells, rather than folded over the top, making this step a little trickier than usual. Slowly and gently pull each strip up and away from the iPhone X. Keep pulling until they come out from between the battery and the rear case. With the adhesive removed, the 2716 mAh iPhone X battery is easily extracted.